Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the battery on a 2019 Kia Cerato key. So relatively easy, but you do need a few tools. So the first thing you're going to do is actually flip the key open. Now you can do this with just your fingers. Just go ahead and actually pull away the chunkier part of the key. And just pops straight off like so. And then you'll actually see 4 quite small Phillips screws, so we're just going to go ahead and take them all out. And then that cover actually just comes straight off like so, and you can see our battery. So the battery, this one is actually a Panasonic CR2032. Now what you'd notice is there's actually 2 thicker tabs and 2 thinner tabs. What we're going to do is push the battery towards the thicker tabs, and then it'll actually pop up and out. And there you go, just a single CR2032 battery. And then to replace it, same thing, you just pop it in face down, and then it will actually click straight over like so. And we go ahead, get a cover, put that back on with your 4 screws. Once they're done up, you can just go ahead and put the other piece of plastic back on, and then that just clicks in. Making sure it goes in all the way around, and then you can actually fold your key back down, and then that is it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my videos, and subscribe to my channel.